Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this session. So today I am explaining on the topic income from other source, subject income tax 2. So let me know that the objective is that to understand the meaning, the concept of income from other source and the identification of the transactions that we take under the head income from other source. So outcome is that it helps the students or to understand the concept, and also to know the transactions that comes under the head income from other source. As we know that in income tax there are 5 heads of income or sources of income, that is salary income, income from house property, income from business and profession, income from capital gain, and the last head, that is income from other source. It is given under section 56. So today we'll solve some problems on this income from other source, where you can expect the questions for 5 marks and also for 10 marks under this chapter. So before moving to the problem, I want to give a bit explanation on that tax deducted at source, where whatever income you receive on the income from other sources, so here some TDS is deducted before the income is handed over to the assessee. In your problem, if the gross income is given, you can directly tax it, but if there is any net income is given on particular source, then there is a need to gross up to tax under the head income from other source. The percentage is stated here. It's for the individual and HUF, and I have not mentioned all incomes here. Some important incomes where you had to apply the TDS, that is 10% or 20% or 30%, as the case may be. So first is that the interest, if any interest is received on securities by companies, then if net income is given, then you must go for grossing up that income to charge to tax under the head income from other source, that is 10%. And if PAN is not submitted by assessee, then 20% is the rate you have to apply for grossing. And if any dividend is received, then also 10%. And if there is no PAN, means you have to apply 20% for grossing the amount. Next is interest received by any bank on your deposits, then 10% is the rate you have to apply for grossing up, and 20% if no PAN is submitted. Interest received other than the bank, if any is interest received by the assessee other than the banks, then that is also grossed up by using the rate 10% and 20% if PAN is not submitted. Next, any lottery winnings, also including the incomes that you have the winnings from puzzles, card games, or any gamblings and all, then the TDS rate applied is 30%. Even though there is no PAN, then also you apply 30% for grossing the money. Next, any horse race winning is there, means then also 30% is the TDS. And if PAN is not submitted, means then also the same rate 30% you have to apply to gross the amount. If any income is received by the contractor, if for any contract work, then 1% is the TDS you have to apply to gross the money. Next, if there is no PAN, means then you must obviously 20% is the rate you have to apply. Any insurance commission, any lottery commissions, any brokerage, if it is received by the assessee, next, that is 5% is the rate you have to apply, 20% if there is no PAN. If any income is received by letting your assets for rent, lease, etc., like plant, machinery, furniture, equipments, whatever may be, then the income is income from other source. 2% is the TDS rate you have to apply for grossing the money. So here, this is some important transactions that we consider as income from other source, and you have to use these percentage to gross the money if net amount is given in the transactions. So we have to go through these percentages. You'll see the problem here. The problem given is like this: compute income from other source from the following information. So one by one I'll read out the items given here. Director's fees 2000 is there. Income from agriculture in Pakistan 5000. Income from agriculture in India 5000. Interest on post office saving bank account 100. Ground rent rupees 10,000. Interest on deposit with IFCI, that is Industrial Finance Corporation of India 500. Rent from subletting a house, that is 26,500. Rent payable by X for the sublet houses 12,000. So here X is the assessee. Other expenses on sublet houses 1000. So this the transactions is for the rent of the sublet house only. And next winnings is given. Winning from horse race 12,000. Again winning from horse race gross is given 12,300. Again winning from horse race net is given 12,300. So these three items I have given just to clarify, make it clear about this gross and net. Okay, so we'll solve the problem. To take the heading computation of income from other source for the assessment year. So whatever assessment year is given, just you mention that assessment year. So first question what is given is that director's fees. So here